Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add payment methods in Shopify. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here to our settings, and then from in here, click on payments. You can see payments right here, and then this will reflect this payment providers as well as this PayPal. So you can head over and set up your PayPal, just click on it. And then once you have clicked on it, just head over and then connect your email from your PayPal to this PayPal Express checkout. Once you have connected that, you also have another option, which is to connect a payment provider. Click on this choose a provider, and then once you have done that, you can see this other providers right here that support Apple Pay, Union Pay, Amex, and a lot more. So just choose a provider that actually suits your needs. So I'll head over and choose this Alien Payments. And then once you have clicked on that, click on this install option right here, and this will install this particular payment provider to your store. So just wait it out and then just grant this access and install it. Then once you have installed this will be added onto your store. First things first, you need to head over and then connect your live account, test account, and then once you have connected them, you should be able to use them to your Shopify. So that's how you add payment methods in Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.